I'm Russ Gassner, Equipment Manager here in Muskogee, Oklahoma for Paper Transport. Today we're going to show you how to do a regen on a 2018 Cascadia. Okay, so the first thing is your engine has to be running. So we'll go ahead and start this. Okay, so now on these newer trucks, it's real simple to do. Basically, all you do is work off your button over on the left side of the steering wheel. So you're looking at the dash, and you move it over to the little truck, and then down to that point right there where it says diesel particulate filter. On this one, you see down here on the bottom, it's got a green light and it's saying soot level is good, so it won't do the regen. But if this was yellow, then all you'd have to do is come back over here and hit the OK button, and it would take off and do the regen. And just don't touch anything until it's completed out, which is anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me or your equipment manager. Thank you.